Hi everyone, it's Miss Tiffany from the Butler Area Public Library, and I am here today to show you how to access the Beanstack website on a laptop or desktop computer. We're going to walk through the steps of accessing the site and creating an account and adding additional users to that account. So the first thing we are going to do is to go to the Beanstack website, and the address for that is butlerlibrary.beanstack.org. So we are going to begin typing that in, and you can see that it has pre-populated for me, but if it doesn't pre-populate, again, it's just butlerlibrary.beanstack.org. And we are going to go ahead and hit enter. This is the landing page for Butler Library's Beanstack account. So this is the first page that you will see when you go to that address. It's always going to have our logo up in the top hand corner, and then any of the challenges that we have coming up or that are ongoing will appear a little bit further down the page here. And then next you see some buttons regarding registration. The one on the left is register an individual or family, and the one on the right is register a class or group. So we are going to click on register an individual or family. Next, it's going to ask, who would you like to register? If you are an adult in a household where multiple people will be doing the summer challenge, you're going to register yourself and then add additional users to your account. If you are an adult who is just simply registering one child for the summer challenge, you're just going to use I am an adult registering a child. But I'm going to actually create my account right now, so I'm going to click on I am registering myself. And you will see that it will take us to a page where we need to collect a little bit of reader's information. Some of these fields are required, some of them are not. So we're just going to walk through them real quickly. The first is our first name and then our last name, and these are required fields. And next is a username, which is also required. This is what we're going to have you use to log into your account. So you can make it whatever is easiest for you. I'm going to make mine my first and last name. Next is the option to add an email. It is not a required field. However, if you do put an email in there, you're going to get notified when you receive badges or if you have tickets that are good to be entered into drawings. If you do add your email, you're just going to want to confirm that down here. And then there is also an option to include your phone number. The next field is another required field. This is your password, and it does need to be at least 6 characters. Then we want to confirm that password again. The next question is, how old are you? This is a very important question because Beanstack is only going to show you the challenges that you are eligible for based on age, which is most important for the children. But I'm going to go ahead and select my age from this drop-down menu. And then the next question is, what school will you attend this fall if applicable? Again, this question is more important for the children's programming, but I'm going to go ahead and begin typing not applicable. And you will see that that comes up as an option, which you will select if it does not apply to you. Then you will click the next button. And you will see that this screen has a pop-up that says badge unlocked, adventure away. And that is because Beanstack is a badge-based system where you are rewarded for completing certain activities within Beanstack. And one of the activities is signing up for your Beanstack account. So when you have completely registered for your Beanstack account successfully, you will notice that you have earned a badge. So awesome job, you've already achieved something cool in Beanstack. We can go ahead and click on this X to close this pop-up because it has some more questions for us. It's going to ask us if we would like to add another adult. So this is where I would add any additional adults in my household to my Beanstack user account. This is optional. If someone else in your household as an adult wants their own individual account, you can go ahead and have them create one with the steps that we just used. but it is easier to keep household users under one account, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to select yes here, and I'm going to create an account for my husband. Now you'll notice that it doesn't ask us to create a username or a password, and that is because the only username and password that is required is the one that I already set up for this account. So I could add multiple users on this account and still only need one username and one password. That's part of the benefits of only having one account for your household. However, in order to put my husband in the correct reading challenge, I also have to answer his age. And again, what school will they attend this fall if applicable? It is not applicable, so we can go ahead and click next. And because I added a new user, that user also unlocked the Adventure Away badge because they are now registered in Beanstack as well. So if I didn't have any additional adults to add to my account, I would click no when it asked would I like to add another adult. And next it's going to ask, would you like to add a child? Now, I don't have any children, but I'm going to show you what it would be like if you were adding a child onto your account using my dog's information. So we are going to click yes there. And again, they are going to ask for a first name and a last name and an age. If this were my actual child, I would put their school name in here, but we're just going to pick not applicable since it's my dog. And this is why it's important to ask the age of children in Beanstack. Because my child was an age that is a cutoff between two different age groups, which is the 6 to 10 and the 10 to 13, I actually get to select which of these challenges my child will be in. So it's up to each individual parent or guardian and that child to decide which challenge is going to be better for them if they are one of those cutoff ages. So we are going to select the Imagine Your Story Nights of Knowledge and pre-register for that child. Again, a new user has been created. That child has also unlocked the Adventure Away badge. It's going to have me answer if I need to add another child. So I'm going to show you what it's like when a child is not one of those cutoff ages. All right, so you will see that this child automatically only qualified for one reading challenge, so they were automatically registered for it and have unlocked the Adventure Away badge. And you would just continue this action for as many children as you needed to register for your household. And then whenever you were finished, when it prompted you with the question, would you like to add another child, you would simply click no. And that's it. You have completely completed registration for the summer challenge and the creation of your user account on Beanstack. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to me at the library. You can call 724-287-1715, or you can email me at tharkleroad@bcfls.org. Thank you so much. Have a great day.